Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks Ideas Without Boundaries. It's time now for us to meet the winner of the Emerging India Awards in the IT and ITES category, Srish Agrawal. Now, Srish started his company A1 Future Technologies in 1997. Then it was a cyber cafe. Today it is a company that looks after corporate branding. He operates in 50 countries and has 10,000 clients, and for that reason, NASSCOM has voted him as one of the top 10 emerging IT companies in the country. Here's his story. He's giving corporate branding a brand new buzz. Turning his passion for technology into a business, Srish Agrawal founded A1 Future Technologies to become an entrepreneur while he was still in college. Started as a cyber cafe way back in 1997, a year down the line, Srish decided to move into web design. Realizing the huge potential, A1 Future Technologies entered the domain of online logo design, corporate branding, graphic and print design. Ranked as one of the top 5 logo design companies in the world by third-party website and ranked one of the top emerging companies in India by industry body NASSCOM, A1 Future Technologies grossed revenues of 4 crore rupees last year. So how does Srish help companies with their design dilemmas?
We offer corporate branding services. Corporate branding means things like logo design, stationery design, and any kind of design that actually helps you build your corporate brand. Apart from corporate branding, we offer graphic design services. That means caricatures, cartoons, and stuff like that. We also offer print design services. That is brochure, flyer, book cover, etc. And apart from that, we also offer you web design services, which automatically is required by the client. Once he gets the logo, he needs the other aspects of the design as well.
Catering to this untapped market for over a decade now, A1 Future Technologies today manages a portfolio of over 10,000 clients across 50 countries. Working on 50 new projects every day, Srish is already tied up with 300 partners across US, UK, Canada and Australia. But catering to this diverse client pool and building up his team of 100 designers has been a challenge.
Getting correct kind of people to do the correct kind of job was the biggest challenge. Because what we wanted to offer was something absolutely new. There weren't any companies who offered logo design, brochure design or print design as a specialized service to the client based in US and UK. So it was not possible for us to actually get experienced designers. There was no market. Now, since we are not getting experienced designers, we wanted to get certain other kind of experienced designers whom we could train. Suppose there was someone who knew web design. We wanted to absorb him and train him logo design. But most of those designers were not interested in joining us because we were a small company and nobody was really able to believe that a company can run by offering such small services like logo design, brochure design and print design.
To address this issue, Srish hired freshers and trained them in-house on the nuances of corporate branding and graphic design. With negligible attrition rates, the venture has been growing at over 60% year-on-year for the last 3 years. And Srish is now looking at touching revenues of over 30 crore rupees by 2015. Another emerging concept is to partner various graphic and web design companies to scale up the venture. So what more is on the drawing board?
We are planning to acquire a graphic design company based in US and UK. We are already in discussion with a few companies over there, but it is really difficult to put a time frame on it as to by when we'll be able to do this successfully. The reason being that after multiple discussions, several times it happens that our deals do not work out due to one reason or the other. Apart from this, our next ambitious target is to open up a marketing office in US. Hopefully we'll be able to do it within next 1 to 1.5 years time. And apart from that, something that we are doing on a continuous basis is that we are tying up for partnership with multiple graphic design and web design companies around the world who are continuously signing up with us as our resellers and partners, and they are our biggest revenue stream today.
Winner of the Emerging India Award 2010 in the ITES category, Srish believes this recognition is the inflection point in his entrepreneurial career that has helped him create the right buzz for his brand. Well, Srish, more power to you. On that note, it's time for us to share some good news with all our Young Turks supporters. Young Turks has added another feather to its cap. Young Turks was recently awarded the Karambir Puraskar for social justice and citizen action in media.
Shireen Bhan, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands
We
together.
would like to thank our social entrepreneurs whose pioneering work inspired our series Change Agents and the Heart of Business. We promise to bring you more such impact innovators on our shows in the future. Well, thank you very much to iCongo for recognizing our efforts here on Young Turks. On that note, it's time for us to make another very special announcement. As the year comes to a close, Young Turks brings you Young Turks Top 10 for 2010. You, our audience, is going to get a chance to decide who will be the top 10 Young Turks for this year. We've got a poll going and we will tell you who the nominees are. All you need to do is log on to our online partner, yourstory.in, to catch the details. We'll see you next week, and don't forget to log on to yourstory.in and draw your votes. See you next week. From all of us here, goodbye and thanks for watching.
Young Turks, brought to you by Religare Commercial Loans. In your success lies ours. DHL,